1. 1977 Pontiac Grand Prix, $1,200, Pahrump, Nevada. This 1977 Pontiac Grand Prix is a project car that has been sitting for many years. It is equipped with a 400 cubic inch engine and an automatic transmission. The body is reportedly free of rust, which is a big plus for a car of this age. However, the car is not currently running and will require a thorough refresh, including new fuel, tires, and other essential components. Additionally, the title is missing, which could be a challenge for potential buyers. 2. 1976 Mercury Marquise, $6,500, Billings, Montana. This 1976 Mercury Marquise was owned by the seller's father and appears to be in good condition. It features a powerful 460 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, and 120,000 miles on the odometer. The car has been well maintained with a fresh oil change and a new battery. It includes power windows, cruise control, a block heater, and extra rims with studded tires. The seller states that the car runs and drives smoothly, but there are some electrical issues, including headlights that occasionally turn off and a non-functioning fuel gauge. 3. 1974 Ford Maverick race car, $5,500, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1974 Ford Maverick has been modified for track racing. It features a 302 cubic inch V8 engine, a 4-speed manual transmission, and an 8.8-inch rear end with limited slip differential. The car has performance upgrades such as high-performance tires, a lowered suspension, upgraded intake and exhaust components, and a disc brake setup on all 4 wheels. The seller includes additional race-related parts like a roll cage, aluminum race seat, and rear spoiler. However, there is no title, which limits it to track use unless a buyer is willing to go through the title process. 4. 1962 Studebaker Gran Turismo Hawk, $9,900, Red Bluff, California. This 1962 Studebaker Gran Turismo Hawk is a rare classic with custom street rod modifications. It is powered by a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch crate engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission sourced from a Corvette. The car has a Mustang rack and pinion front suspension and an 8.8-inch Mustang rear axle. Additional features include air conditioning, power windows, power steering, and power brakes. The exterior is satin black with flame decals, and the seller claims it has been shown in multiple car shows. Some minor electrical repairs are needed, such as fixing the brake lights, but it is otherwise a running and driving car. 5. 1978 Ford Fairmont, $2,500, Minneapolis, Minnesota. This 1978 Ford Fairmont is in good condition and has only 67,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. The seller states that the car runs and drives well and both the battery and tires are in good condition. It appears to be a simple, budget-friendly classic for someone looking for a running and driving project. 6. 1959 Datsun Morris Minor Coupe, $7,500, La Mesa, California. This unique 1959 Morris Minor has been upgraded with a 1980 Datsun 1500 engine and an automatic transmission. It has been converted to a 12-volt electrical system and features an alternator upgrade, electronic ignition, and power brakes. The car also has a tube shock conversion and is reportedly leak-free. The original California car has vintage California plates and a clean title. This could be a great choice for someone looking for a small and stylish vintage car with some modernized mechanical upgrades. 1970 Ford Torino 351 Cleveland, 910,000 Somerset, California. This 1970 Ford Torino is a rare model featuring the 351 cubic inch Cleveland engine with a 4-barrel carburetor. It is painted in Calypso Coral, a rare factory color, and features a chrome interior. The car has been sitting since the mid-1990s and was recently acquired from an estate. It has all original body panels and features rare hideaway headlights. While it does not currently run, it rolls and can be transported on a trailer. It comes with a clean title, making it a solid candidate for restoration. Eight, 1970 GMC long bed pickup, 4th organ. This 1970 GMC long bed truck is a running project. It is equipped with a small block V8 engine featuring headers, dual exhaust, an aluminum intake, and an Edelbrock carburetor. The truck was a daily driver until it was parked due to a transmission fluid leak. It has been stored indoors until recently and comes with extra trim pieces. The seller added fresh fuel and reports that it runs better but still needs work. It is recommended to trailer at home due to old tires and its long period of storage. Nine, 1984 Chevrolet Camaro, $5,500, La Grande, Oregon. This 1984 Chevrolet Camaro is powered by a fuel-injected 350 cubic inch V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission. It has 65,000 miles and is in good condition. The seller states that it runs and drives well and is open to trades for an automatic Jeep Wrangler. This appears to be a solid, entry-level classic muscle car for an enthusiast. A 10, 1984 Ford Thunderbird, $800, Wilsaw, Montana. This 1984 Ford Thunderbird is a project car that does not currently run and will need to be towed. It features a 3.8-liter V6 engine, an automatic transmission, and a clean title. The seller does not provide much detail on the car's condition, making it more of a gamble for a potential buyer. However, for someone looking for an affordable project, it could be worth considering. 11, 1976 Chevrolet Cheyenne 30, 7500s, Portland, Oregon. This 1976 Chevrolet Cheyenne 30 is a classic square body truck in good condition. It is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission. The seller states that it runs and drives excellently, making it a solid choice for someone looking for a vintage pickup truck that is ready to drive. $12, 1974 Buick Electra 225, $5,500, Palmdale, California. This 1974 Buick Electra 225 is powered by a 455 cubic inch V8 engine and has 127,000 miles on the odometer. It has its original interior and is described as a solid and straight-bodied car. The car starts and runs well, but the rear bumper fillers are broken, which is a common issue on these models. It has a clean title and appears to be a great classic luxury car option.